Thousands of millionaires are quietly moving to Florida and bringing billions of dollars with them. Entire financial firms are relocating. Luxury real estate is exploding, and cities like Miami, Palm Beach, and Fort Lauderdale are transforming faster than anyone expected. But here is the interesting part. Most people think millionaires move to Florida for the sunshine. That's not the real reason. In fact, the last reason we are going to talk about today may be the most powerful one of all, and it might completely change how you see the future of wealth in the United States. So stay with me until the end of the video because the final reason might surprise you. Over the past few years, a major shift has been happening in the United States. High net worth individuals, entrepreneurs, investors, hedge fund managers, tech founders, and business owners have been leaving traditional financing centers like New York, California, and Chicago. And they've been relocating to one place in particular, Florida. This is not just a lifestyle trend, it's a massive economic migration. Billions of dollars are moving with these individuals. Investment firms are opening offices here. Luxury developments are rising along the coastline. And some of the most expensive real estate sales in American history are now happening in Florida. But the real story behind this migration is much deeper than most people realize. Because while the beaches in the sunshine are certainly attractive, there are strategic financial reasons and lifestyle advantage that are reshaping the future of where wealthy individuals choose to live. So today we're going to explore exactly why millionaires are moving to Florida, what is driving this shift, and what it might mean for the future of real estate investment and opportunity. And again, watch until the end because the last reason might be the most important of all. And if this is your first time on the channel, welcome to Florida Living for You. I'm Marcia Gannon. And if you want to know everything about living and investing in South Florida, press the subscribe button and tap the bell for notifications so you don't miss anything. So let's get into it. We'll start with the reason that often captures the most attention: taxes. Florida is one of the very few states in the United States that has no state income tax. At first glance, that might not seem like a huge deal. But when you start looking at the numbers for high earners, the impact becomes enormous. Imagine someone earning $5 million a year. In some states, they may pay state income taxes that exceed 10%. That could easily mean hundreds of thousands, sometimes even millions of dollars in additional taxes every single year. But in Florida, that tax simply does not exist. For high-income individuals, the savings can be dramatic. Over 10 years, the difference can easily add up to several million dollars. And for someone managing a business, investments, or a growing portfolio, that kind of financial efficiency becomes extremely appealing. This is why many entrepreneurs and investors start to consider Florida not just as a vacation destination, but as a primary residence. But taxes alone do not explain the full story. Because if taxes were the only factor, other states without income tax would be experiencing the same level of growth. What makes Florida unique is the combination of financial advantage with something equally important: lifestyle. For many high net worth individuals, lifestyle becomes incredibly important once they reach a certain level of success. When people spend years building companies, investing, and growing their wealth, eventually they begin to prioritize something different: quality of life. And Florida offers a lifestyle that is very difficult to replicate anywhere else in the United States. Imagine waking up in the morning with the ocean just outside your window, stepping onto a balcony overlooking the water, taking a walk along the beach before starting your day, having access to boating, yachting, golf, and outdoor activities all year long. For many people coming from colder climates, this lifestyle represents a major transformation. Instead of spending long winters indoors, Florida offers a year-round outdoor environment. Restaurants with waterfront views, sunsets over the ocean, warm weather even in January, and this type of environment naturally attracts people who have the flexibility to live wherever they choose. And when wealthy individuals experience this lifestyle, many of them decide they never want to leave. Another major factor driving millionaire migration is Florida's luxury real estate market. Over the past decade, Florida has seen an extraordinary wave of new luxury developments. Oceanfront condominiums, waterfront estates, private island properties, and some of the most impressive residential towers in the world. In cities like Miami, Palm Beach, and Fort Lauderdale, luxury buildings now offer amenities that rival five-star resorts. Private spas, concierge services, private restaurants, marinas, wine lounges, private elevators. Some developments even include private beaches, helicopter access, and yacht services. For wealthy buyers, these residences provide a lifestyle that blends luxury, security, and convenience. And because many of these properties are located directly on the ocean or along the Intracoastal Waterway, they also offer something extremely valuable: scarcity. There is only a limited amount of waterfront land available. And as demand increases, that scarcity becomes even more valuable. This is one of the reasons why many luxury buyers see Florida real estate not only as a home but also as a long-term investment. Another powerful factor behind this trend is something economists call wealth migration. When wealthy individuals move somewhere, they rarely move alone. They bring businesses, they bring investments, they bring networks of other successful people. Over the past several years, Florida has experienced an influx of hedge funds, private equity firms, and financial companies. Many of these firms previously operated out of New York or California, but today, cities like Miami are becoming major financial centers in their own right. Some people even refer to Miami as Wall Street South. When businesses relocate, they create jobs, they create investment opportunities, and they attract other entrepreneurs who want to be part of that environment. Over time, this creates a powerful cycle of growth. More businesses arrive, more capital flows into the market, more people move to participate in the opportunities being created, and that momentum continues to attract even more high net worth individuals. Another reason Florida appeals to wealthy individuals is its international accessibility. Florida sits at a unique crossroads between North America, South America, Europe, and the Caribbean. Major international airports make it easy to travel almost anywhere in the world. For global entrepreneurs, investors, and business owners, this connectivity is extremely important. Many wealthy individuals maintain multiple residences in different countries. Florida often becomes one of those key locations, a place where they can spend significant time while remaining connected to global markets and international travel. For international buyers especially, Florida also offers something that many other global cities cannot provide: luxury real estate at relatively competitive prices compared to cities like London, New York, or Hong Kong. This makes Florida particularly attractive to investors from Europe, Latin America, and Canada. Another interesting development in Florida is the rise of exclusive luxury communities, private gated neighborhoods, waterfront states, golf course communities, private islands. These environments offer privacy, security, and exclusivity, qualities that are often very important for high profile individuals. Some of the most desirable communities in Florida include private clubs, golf courses, marinas, and resort style amenities. Residents can enjoy a lifestyle that feels almost like living in a luxury resort every day. And because many of these communities attract other successful individuals, they often become hubs for networking and collaboration. Another reason many millionaires are choosing Florida is stability. In the world of business and investment, predictability matters. Entrepreneurs and investors often prefer environments where regulations and tax policies are relatively stable. Florida has built a reputation as a business-friendly state. That reputation encourages companies to expand here and encourages entrepreneurs to establish long-term roots. For people managing large investments or businesses, that kind of stability can be extremely valuable. Now we arrive at the final reason, the one that often surprises people: community. When wealthy individuals move somewhere, they begin forming networks, private clubs, investment circles, philanthropic organizations, entrepreneurial communities. Over time, these networks create environments where ideas turn into businesses and opportunities emerge through relationships. In places like Palm Beach and Miami, you can now find some of the most influential entrepreneurs, investors, and business leaders living within a relatively small geographic area. This creates an ecosystem where connections happen naturally. Conversations at events lead to partnerships. Partnerships lead to companies, and companies lead to new investment opportunities. And this environment becomes incredibly attractive for ambitious individuals who want to grow their wealth and influence. In many ways, this community of success may be the most powerful factor driving the migration to Florida, because when successful people gather in one place, opportunities tend to multiply. When we step back and look at the bigger picture, it becomes clear that Florida is experiencing a transformation. A combination of tax advantage, lifestyle appeal, luxury real estate, business growth, and global accessibility is attracting a new wave of wealth. And many experts believe this trend is only just beginning. As more entrepreneurs, investors, and companies relocate, Florida's economic influence will likely continue to grow. Cities that were once primarily vacation destinations are now becoming global financial and lifestyle hubs. And that transformation is reshaping the real estate market in ways that few people predicted just a decade ago. So, when you put everything together, it becomes much easier to understand why so many millionaires are moving to Florida. It's not just about sunshine. It's not just about beaches. It's about opportunity. Opportunity to protect wealth, opportunity to enjoy a higher quality of life, to invest in one of the fastest growing luxury real estate markets in the world, and perhaps most importantly, the opportunity to be part of a growing community of entrepreneurs and innovators who are shaping the future. And if these trends continue, and all signs suggest they will, Florida may become one of the most influential economic regions in the country over the next decade. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the real estate trends, investment opportunities, and lifestyle advantage shaping Florida today, make sure you subscribe to the channel. This channel is all about helping you understand what's really happening in the South Florida market. Also, if you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who might be considering moving to Florida. And if you're curious about which areas in Florida are attracting the most millionaires right now, leave a comment below saying Florida. I would love to hear your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video.